Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Hostinger Horizon and Lovable. Hostinger Horizon is an AI website builder made by Hostinger. It asks a few questions about your business or project and then creates a full website for you with ready-made text, layouts, and images. Since it's directly linked with Hostinger's hosting, you can launch the site right away without extra setup. It's best for people who want a quick and hassle-free way to make a site without needing design or coding skills. Lovable is also an AI website builder, but it gives more focus to customization and design. It can generate a website in seconds, and then you can easily edit the layout, colors, and content to match your brand. It provides modern templates and tools for people who want a more creative control, making it good for small businesses, startups, and creators. Overall, Hostinger Horizon works well if you want a fast and simple website, while Lovable is better if you want more flexibility to adjust the design and make it look unique. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.